melted their heads. Then their feathers fell off. Then their eyes. Then they were gone again. There was one bird left. It didn't fly off. It turned around the wrong way and blinked copy in Morse code at them. Then it folded into itself like wet paper and died. They were alone. Birds land only once at Area 51, and nothing hears them leave.